All right, we're in Lake Bluff. This building actually used to be an elementary school. You can definitely tell, it still has that elementary school looking architecture. But anyway, there's the elevator. But it actually goes around, opens around here. Yeah, definitely. This definitely looks like an old school. It's a Dover Impulse. The DMC. Nice. Looks like you need it. That's locked. Up to 2. Rubble. Oh yeah, look at this. Definitely an old elementary school. Interesting to see it converted to municipal offices. I wonder if this elevator is from before or after the conversion. What the hell? Look at that. Anyway, that will be it.